Hey guys, it's just me. But I want to share some exciting news with you. I've been working with this young lady in our city, and we have came up with these ebooks that we want to make for the public in the next couple of weeks. These ebooks are for the detailer, for the car enthusiast, and for that person who is looking on starting their mobile detailing business. We're going to have a series coming out, but the first one that we have created is the basic tools that you will need to become a detailer. Super excited about this project. But like I said, in the next couple of weeks, we will have it available. I'll definitely have the link in the description for you all to purchase. Just wanted to throw that out there. Now, back to your regularly scheduled program. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Just with Detail Diamond, back with another one. In this video today, we have a full exterior detail we are doing on one of our maintenance clients. Now, let me give you guys the contents and why we are doing this full exterior. So we see this maintenance client, typically we see her every week. So I feel as though because we're the only ones that touch her paint, we take care of her car, I want to reset her paint over time. And this is one thing I want to do with all of our maintenance clients. So a new strategy that I put into play this year, I want to touch the maintenance client's paint with a full exterior at least every 6 months, just so we can get a reset going on, because micro scratching will occur. Of course, the paint's dirty now, so you can't really see it, but we're the only ones that touch it, like I say. So over time, with us just using, microfibers and just always having our hands on the paint, we are going to make micro scratching. I don't care what it is. I don't care what you say. Micro scratching will occur. So what we want to do is we just want to reset the paint. Like, we want to go ahead and give it a good polish. We want to give it a good clay bar. We want to go ahead and use some iron remover. We want to go ahead and get the paint all the way back to where it needs to be. And then after this, we'll go ahead with our regular regimen of maintenance. You get what I'm saying? So right now, I got Chelsea taking out the stuff. We're going to go ahead and hit it with, this is the process we're going to use. Okay, so we're going to wash it. We're going to rinse it. We're going to wash it. After that, we're going to spray it off. Then I want to use the iron remover. I want to spray it all on the paint. Let that settle. Then we're going to wash it again. Take that stuff off. Follow up with a clay bar. Polish. Then we're going to use a paste wax. No spray wax. We're going to use a paste wax. So that's what we're going to do right now. Should probably take us about an hour and a half. There's two of us here. We'll go ahead and check on Chelsea real quick. Chelsea, how you doing, bro?
What's good?
Yeah. So how you feel about this detail, bro?
Feeling good, First full exterior detail like this for the year, so it's pretty exciting. We're gonna get to see if we get the paint back to optimum quality and just be more professional with it and keep it rolling.
Yeah, for sure. And this was actually Chelsea's observation. Since he normally does the outside while I'm taking care of the inside, he actually started to notice some of the imperfections that were taking place on the paint. So yeah, shout out to Chelsea for this idea. We're gonna go ahead and get into it now. Like I always say, if you guys have not already, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We typically post 2 to 3 to 4 times a week. Check in with you guys in a second.
Evans made another one.
Okay, so apparently our pump sprayer is going out. It's filled with water. I don't know what's wrong with it. It's working, but it's acting kind of funny. So I guess we're gonna have to resort to the spray bottles for the plate process.
Evans made another one. Evans made another one.
Sincerely, guys, we appreciate you for watching. Like I stated earlier, look out for our ebooks. They're definitely on the way. They come in a Spanish version as well, just trying to keep it diverse. This right here has been this full exterior detail on this maintenance client. If you guys have not already, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We typically post 3 to 4 times a week. God bless. See you soon.